How to redeem lifestyle gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for redeem lifestyle gift card. And then head over to the very first site. It will land you on the official page of Lifestyle. Now what you want to do is scroll down. Here it says already have a gift card. Head over to check your balance. Well, this interface will pop up. In this page, you'll find the section of gift card number and then PIN number. Simply enter your gift card number and then your PIN number. Also click on this checkbox. Once it is done, tap on check balance and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem lifestyle gift card online. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.